Hi, it's Lou from Tonic Studios, and I'm here today to show you how to create the mechanism for your triple easel card. Within the die set, you get 3 different layers. Each layer will create the actual shape for the front and the fold part that you need to create the easel. You need to cut this layer twice, whether it's for the bigger, the middle or the smaller. So we'll cut our basic layer, we've folded it over and we've added some red liner tape. On the second layer, what we're going to do is cut away the excess part we don't need to create a heart shape. I'm replicating a curve, but if you don't want to do that, you have the score lines there that you could cut straight across. So we're going to fold this over and we're going to take our red liner tape off, line up the 2 pieces together so they match, turn it over and then very carefully fold back on itself so you've now created your crease. This way we've actually created the first part of our easel. We're going to repeat that for whether it's the middle layer or for the smaller layer. So there are your 3 parts. So each one is made exactly the same. Now within the die set you do get lots of different matten layers. So for example, that would go on the bottom. So when you slid across, you would hide your decoration. And then the same layer would be used to decorate the outside part of your heart. I'm just going to put the front parts in, not the ones along the bottom. So we can put our layers on. And each size has its own matte layer that you can use and also has its own decorative layer too. So that's our 3 layers constructed. Now to line these up together, you need to decide how high up you would like this portion of the easel to be, and then you can then stick your next layer, because the layer in front will actually trap the bottom part of the heart and keep it in place. So where you would like the height to be is your decision. I'm going to go approximately just under halfway. So you're just going to go and put some glue along the bottom, line up your die so you've got that center point there going all the way down, and put that, and then when I pull this forward, this can then tuck in place there and it's now held in place. We're going to repeat the same with the smaller die. So we'll just put some glue in the lower part. We're going to line it up again, trying to make sure these points are all level, and stick it down in place. And that now will trap each one of your different layers in place by the layer in front. And then all we need to do is create the stopper at the very front. So I've cut out a smaller heart that comes in a set and the decorative piece, but we'll just use the smaller heart. I'm just going to put a small amount of 3D foam on the back. And I'm just going to put that in place at the front. Again, it's your own personal preference where you would like everything to go. So now the small heart is trapped at a stop there. The middle heart has a stopper from the one in front, and then the top heart is trapped by the one in front again. So that is the basis of creating your triple easel, and actually using each layer to be trapped by the layer in front with only one stopper needed at the very, very front. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for watching.